just push your leg across that way. So push
This way,
across
yeah.
that way. Push it on.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, push across. Just lift your head up and push across again. Right. Drop your head down. Turn your head to the right. Like this. And push your leg up. Sorry, straight at the side. Push up. Up. Turn your head to the right. And push up. You see the difference?
Yeah, what does that mean if you don't want me asking?
So this indicates there's a dysfunction in your neck.
Oh, shit.
So any dysfunction in the joints, we call it a subluxation. If the neck is restricted, it'll irritate the nerves, irritate the whole nervous system. So that can affect, even though it's happening up there, it affects the connection and the signal going all the way down to your leg. So that's one way you adjust your neck, it makes such a big difference.
Is that quite bad that it don't asking, or is that
It's
normal?
quite standard. It's quite
Okay,
standard.
standard.
It's not great because you want the nervous system to be
Of
working
course,
well.
yeah, okay.
That's why it's better to be adjusted and tuned up.
That's really tender.
Imbalance can be why we get tightness on one side.
It makes so much sense. I didn't think about it. I only just noticed it. So when you've done that, I thought, wow, I feel the difference.
The same this way as well. So push your heel up towards you, push it round, and drop down, and this one, push up towards you,
Yeah, I feel so much different.
push up behind you as well. And this one, push up. So, you just adjust your pelvis. Take a breath. And breathe. And breathe up. Push up again, push it on. And this one, push up again.
Oh, Jesus.
Just push your right, and turn your head to the left, push up. And turn to the right, push up.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you feel that tenderness.
Jesus, wow.
Nice and gentle, like that.
What causes that? Because I'm trying my hardest. I just don't know what I do.
It's just a bit it's not historical, it's just where the joints have been tight, so the genuine need a bit of work. And then just day-to-day life activity.
Yeah, of course that makes sense. Yeah. Jesus. Jesus. Oh! You enjoyed that when you passed it.
That was a nice one.
Jesus.
Check again. So you push your leg up, push your leg.
Jesus Christ. Wow. Wow.
Push it across.
Oh, cross, sorry, oh, sorry.
Push it across. So nice and like
Wow.
So this gets your nervous system working nicely. Turn the leg up.
Oh, switched to mobile, that's right. That feels really tender there.
Draw across. So push it, turn the leg up.
See, that's been really tender there, to be honest. I've been feeling that a lot.
Let's roll across. Love your back.
Oh, my back, yeah.
Bend your legs up.
Both of them.
That's wrap your arms around. Give yourself a nice big hug.
Oh, sorry.
That's it. Give yourself some love.
Yeah, sorry, man, I'm not normally like this. I'm really sensitive.
Just roll. Shoulders drop.
Oh. Sorry. Bastards, mate, that's what you got.
Basic breath.
No, mate, really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. I can't believe that about that, man. That's honestly shocked me how I felt in my legs.
Thank
Thank you so much, mate, as always.
Have a good weekend.
No, you too, man. Thank you.